Hello friends, good evening. Today I have started a new programming tutorial series, Python programming tutorial. Python is very widely used and high-level programming language. Python was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Python is widely used because Python can be used to develop web development, software development, mathematics, data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence development. So what we need first, we have to download Python from python.org website, official website of Python programming language. You download and install latest version. I have already downloaded and installed. And you need IDE, PyCharm IDE, best for Python programming. You can download it from JetBrains website. Python is developed by JetBrains and install in your PC. Once you download Python, you have to set environment variable, edit environment variable, go to path. You have to click new and you have to find or look for where Python was installed. In my machine, Python was installed in programs, Python. So copy this path and go to this new and paste it here. I have already completed this process and you do this way. Okay. So our environment setup is complete. Python downloaded, PyCharm downloaded. So open PyCharm. Go to File, New Project, Python YouTube project. You should set this virtual environment, and where it is saved, it will be saved here. Location is here. So create new window. Now file, new Python file, first program, print. If you write any string, you have to use double quote, hello world. Execute it. You see hello world. Now print integer value 10 printed. Let's do some addition subtraction. 10 plus 10, 20. Print 100 minus 30. Printed 70. Print 10 into 20. Printed 200. Print 20 divided by 10. 2. So we have installed Python, set up environment variable, and we have done some basic programming, basic coding, that is This is the first tutorial, so let's go to the next tutorial.